I'm planning on putting my fig tree in the ground after it sheds its leaves this fall. We have a lot of clay here. Should I plant my fig tree in clay, or is there a better medium to use? And this is Average John on YouTube. So, planting the fig tree.
Yeah.
In clay?
In clay.
Or is there a better medium?
Yeah, there's better.
So there's better?
Yeah, better than clay. Yeah.
But you know what? People curse clay. Clay is not all bad. You know,
No,
it has water holding
make bricks
capacity,
out of it,
nutrient holding capacity. You can make bricks. So what should he be planting it in, though?
Or I would just, if he wants to use his native soil, which seems to tend toward the clay side,
Okay,
obviously, you know, you can add organic matter to improve the texture of the soil, and the fig will get better drainage, because clay, you know, notoriously holds water.
Yeah.
So you put some organic matter in there and it's going to drain better, and the fig should be okay. But he doesn't need to just amend the hole, you know, because that means it's just almost acts like a sink.
Right.
You know, and that the roots will want to stay in that good stuff. So he needs to till up an area, which is a lot more work, but I think he'll have better results to amend an area, you know, fairly big, not the whole yard, but unless he wanted to.
Yeah,
it could help the whole ground.
Sure.
But yeah, I'd definitely try to amend the soil with some organic matter wherever he's putting it.
All right. So would that matter which region we're talking about? Maybe north, south?
Well, yeah, because if he's had it in a pot, we don't know where this person's from, because it says YouTube. So still the same. I mean, you know, figs are only hardy, you know, at a certain zone.
Right.
So, and if he's had this thing in a pot, we don't really know if it's going to be hardy.
Some varieties are more hardy than others.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's a good question.
and just check the hardiness of it, which should be a simple thing.
I'd also ask him how are your other plants doing out there? How are your
In
other
the clay.
shrubs
That's a
doing
good
in the
point.
clay?
That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's a good point.
I lived in Memphis 15 years, and people would call me and complain about the heavy clay soils we have around here in Memphis. We have some of the finest silt loam soils in the world around the Memphis area. And there's an app that you can get called SoilWeb, and it is a cooperative effort between the United States Department of Agriculture and the University of California at Davis. And you can put that app on your phone, and you can push a button, and it will tell you what the soil type is where you're standing.
How about that?
I don't care where you are. Might want to check that out. You may not have as much clay as you think you have.
Right.
Silt loams have good water holding capacity also.
So he just may be mouthing something he's always been told.
Yeah, that could be that. But if he has a lot of other plants that obviously are struggling
Doing
because
well.
the clay is
Or doing well.
Yeah, but
Maybe
if they're
that-
doing well, I would say that fig probably ought to do
That's a
okay
good
too.
point.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
that's
is.
a good point.
Okay. That SoilWeb sounds good. Okay.
SoilWeb.
SoilWeb.
I've had that out for probably 10 years, 15 years. I
So
had
it's
it
just
before.
SoilWeb?
SoilWeb.
SoilWeb.
Oh, that's good to know.
Check it out. It's
Check
free.
it out. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.